Hello viewer, we are using that vehicle shape here. I will try that one. Let's generate another one to have it keep on editing. Generate the different design and shapes here. Explore the different options. I will take another one to have it. We will apply there. Add a paint for it. So use the eraser tool. Add another paint. We will find it. So we have that one. Use that pattern stamp with it. So there we have it. Apply the changes. Now we will take the pen tool design here. Use that color. We will try to make a paint around it. Let's change the color here. Add a paint. So here is an eraser tool. Thank you for watching.